Well, good morning. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. You know I'm finishing up my 4th of July meal. We're about to make our homemade baked beans. I've already browned a pound of ground beef and some onions. Then we're going to use, and you can use any baked beans that you want. I like Bush's, so we're going to use a 28-ounce can of baked beans. I'm going to use some pinto beans. I've already drained the liquid off of those pinto beans. A couple of dashes of liquid smoke. Can you actually see that? A couple of dashes for coloring. We're going to add some black pepper. We have some ketchup, brown sugar, barbecue sauce, mustard, garlic powder, and Worcestershire sauce. And all we're going to do is mix this up. I have a couple pieces of bacon frying up behind me now. So we're going to get this going. You know what I have to do? Put you on pause and rearrange everything. So give me 1 second. Okay, let's get this party started. So, like I said, I got a pound of ground beef I made with some onions. This is just a half a pound in here. I'm going to add as I go along. The baked beans in there. That's important. So we're making baked beans. Before I forget, a couple of dashes of smoke. This liquid smoke. Believe me, you don't need that much. I'm going to go ahead and add the pepper while I'm here. The other pinto beans I'm put on top. Need to grab a spoon. Give me 1 second. Okay, there's the garlic powder. Worcestershire sauce. Scoop out the mustard. And as usual, I'll add all the ingredients below in the description. Of course, if you want to make more or less, just increase or decrease the amount of the ingredients that I'm using. So if I use a half a cup and you need to make more, use a cup, so on and so forth. And then our sugar. So we got a ketchup, mustard, and sugar in here, and barbecue sauce. Now, I'm just going to stir this. We still have to add our bacon, which is still frying behind me. And I just want to see how the beans mix with the ground beef. And it looks like I can add the rest of the ground beef. So. I didn't want to have a whole lot of ground beef and not enough of beans. So this is going to be great. Yes, perfect. This is a meal by itself, you guys, for real. Baked beans, hamburger. Who hasn't eaten any of that before? This is just my mixing bowl. I'm ready to bake it. It's going to go in the oven. All I need to do is just add the bacon and we are good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, I do have the bacon. And you can use as much bacon as you like. It's still hot, so I'm just going to break this up. It is hot. Break that up and mix it in with the other ingredients. I'm going to give it a nice flavor. Again, I'm just showing you how I do mine. I haven't eaten this morning, so I want to eat some of this bacon. This is what we're going to bake it in. I think, for some odd reason, I think I need a bigger dish. Let me get a bigger dish. Better safe than sorry, right? Don't want to overflow in the oven. Just going to pour that in there. Just like that. And again, if you want to add more seasonings, you may do so. You want more barbecue sauce, you can do that. That's perfect right there in that dish, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is put the baked beans in there on the same temperature, 375. It won't take them long to cook, as you know. And then we're gonna come back and let me see what we're gonna do next. Oh, we still have the green beans to do, which won't take long. So I'm gonna take me a break from cooking and let these baked beans get done with the mac and cheese, clean up my kitchen, because it's going on 9 o'clock now. And I wanna be done with everything way before noon. So without further ado, here is your baked beans. They look good, y'all. Don't they look good? Got that bacon in there. Yum, yum. Okay, you want a close-up. I know you do, right? So these are the baked beans with all the ingredients. That's going into the oven at 375 for about a half hour, 45 minutes. No rush. Basically, all we're doing is heating it up, okay? So, thank you for watching this short video. I appreciate your time. God bless you. I hope you have a great 4th of July. And please like the video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave a comment below. Share the video with your friends and family members. Hit the bell so you will be notified on my next upload. And I always appreciate subscribers. So until the next upload, I will see you later on.